Ratios sometimes include terms that are decimals. In this video, we'll show how to work with these types of ratios. Let's look at an example. It costs $21.50 to purchase 2.5 pounds of salmon. What is the unit cost for the salmon? Recall that a unit cost is for finding the rate for one unit, also known as the unit rate. The ratio of price to pounds is 21.5 to 2.5, as shown here. Notice that both are decimals to the tenths place. We can simplify this ratio by multiplying both terms by 10. This moves the decimal point one place to the right. This leaves 215 to 25. Turn that into a fraction and simplify. 215 to 25 simplifies to 41 over 5. The result, the unit rate, is $8.20 per pound. Let's look at another example. At a recycling facility, 312.75 pounds of paper earn $21.65. How much does a recycling facility pay per pound? Here we want to calculate the unit rate for how much the recycling facility pays per pound of paper. The ratio is 21.65 to 312.75 in dollars per pound. These decimals are to the hundredths place. Multiply both terms by 100. We get 2165 to 31,275. Write it as a fraction and simplify. The simplified fraction is 433 over 6,255, dividing both the numerator and denominator by 5. Finally, we divide the denominator into the numerator and get an approximate value of $0.069 per pound, and that is the unit rate. Let's look at a final example. The Voyager 1 space probe is 2.058 times 10 to the 10th kilometers from Earth. It has been in space for 39.25 years. What has been its average speed during that time in kilometers per hour? We want a rate in kilometers per hour, but notice that the time value is in years. So the first thing to do is convert 39.25 years to hours. We need to convert years to days and days to hours as shown by these conversion rates. We get a result of 341,065.5 hours. Since the distance term is written in scientific notation, we can do the same for the hours. We write 3.410655 times 10 to the 5th hours. We can now calculate the speed. Write the ratio as a fraction and simplify the powers of 10. We get 0.6034 times 10 to the 5th, which we rewrite as 6.034 times 10 to the 4th kilometers per hour. This is the average speed of the Voyager 1 probe throughout its mission.